Kommo CRM tutorial and review. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to review Kommo CRM and show you how to use it. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Kommo, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Kommo, it is a powerful customer relationship management platform designed to help businesses manage leads, automate sales processes, and communicate effectively with clients across multiple channels. It integrates messaging apps like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, Telegram, and email into one unified interface. And it allows teams to handle all customer interactions in a single space. And the platform features tools for pipeline management, workflows, and performance analytics, helping business track the progress and optimize sales strategies. So now upon start signing in, you can click or continue using your Google account, email, or even Facebook. After signing in, you will automatically be directed on this page right here, and on this pop-up window, you can choose here to select your support preferences. We have here WhatsApp, phone, but I'm going to choose here this in-app support chat and click next. You'd also select your industry you're in. I'm going to select for you're in here, and even select the products you're selling and the team members in your company. Once done, just close this pop-up window and you will be directed automatically in here under inbox or chat section. On the left side panel, you can also navigate a lot of things, and that includes this dashboard. It will show you all of the details and data, including incoming messages, ongoing conversation, unanswered conversation, lead sources, the number of leads, tasks, active leads, and many more. So basically all of these are accessible in here under the dashboard. Now moving on, aside from that, you can also navigate on the left side panel the leads. From here, it will show you all of the leads. To create new one, you can simply fill out the required information upon clicking the new lead button on the top right corner to start adding the new leads. So from here, as you can see, it will show you on the left side of this screen that we can start entering here the lead title, for example, lead 2.0, and below you can even add the tags if you want to by clicking this button, or even change the status of this. We have here new inquiry, qualified, and many more. Under the main section, just enter the sale amount, the tracking number of it, the delivery address, the payment method. We have here card payment, the discount 5% as an example, the reason, and even the contact number, the payment, and many more. So make sure to simply fill out all of this required information necessary, in which all of this are leads details. You can even enter the contact and even the company right here. For instance, for the company, I'm just going to simply enter here Apple Incorporated and click the save button to proceed. You can even navigate also the setup under the lead section right here if you also want to add more details by clicking the setup option. But basically, this is just how easily you can start adding the lead. Under fields and groups, it will show you some of the fields that they need to fill out. So you have now created or adding successfully the lead. You have here statistics, media, products, and setup that we could also start navigating within that specific leads. So basically, using this section, we can track the potential customers through the sales pipeline. We can change also drag these leads depending on the status in here. And if you also want to change pipeline, just click the three dots and edit the pipeline right here. By doing so, you'll automatically be directed on the page, or it will show you a pop-up window that will allow you to customize a lot of things, including the status in here, including the active stages, the new inquiry, the color of it, the qualified, code sent, order place, order fulfilled, order ship, and even add your new stage if you want to. And after that, just click the save button to save the changes, as you can see on the top panel. So basically, under these leads, it represents a prospective client and contains detailed information such as contact data, communication history, and deal progress. A user can automate lead capture from social media, email, or website forms, and assign them to specific team members or for follow-up. Now moving on under these chat features, it serves as a central hub for managing all customer conversations across multiple communication channels such as WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, and even website live chat. You can even click add channel if you want to start adding a new channel. And after that, all you need to do is simply fill out all of the required information needed to do so. You can even choose the templates, about's, settings, and broadcasting here. All of these are accessible on the right side panel. Under channels, we have here WhatsApp, Apple Messages, Fiber, Facebook, Skype, and any other application that we can start integrating in here to track the progress of messages, in which it is linked to individual leads, and it ensures that every interaction is recorded and contributes to the ongoing relationship with the customer. And this unified messaging system enhances responsiveness, team collaboration, and customer satisfaction. Now moving on to the calendar section, this one helps users organize and manage their schedules by displaying meetings, follow-ups, and task deadlines directly within the CRM interface. It also allows users to sync appointments with leads and integrate with external calendar like Google Calendar for real-time updates. So this feature ensures that sales representatives never miss important meetings or callbacks while maintaining an efficient workflow. While this list section organizes leads, customers, or contacts into a customizable views for easier management and segmentation. It also allows user to filter and sort entries based on criteria such as deal stage, activity status, or tags. While under mail, it is an email communication directly into Kommo.com, allowing user to send, receive, and track messages without leaving the CRM platform. You can also navigate here this stat that provides user with detailed analytics and performance insight across sales, communication, and marketing activities. It also visualizes data through chart and reports, showing metrics such as leads, conversion rates, deal progress, and team performance. So basically, this kind of insight help managers identify successful strategies, detect inefficiencies, and make data-driven decisions to improve productivity by tracking trends and results over time. The stats tool empower businesses to refine their processes. Moving on to the settings section, it allows users to customize the CRM environment according to their organization needs. And that includes options to manage user roles, access permissions, pipelines, integrations, and automation for flows. Users can connect external tools such as messaging platforms, calendars, or analytics system for smoother operation. So basically, using this platform Kommo, it is a vital tool for companies seeking to strengthen their customer service, increase sales, efficiency, and make a data-driven decision to achieve the long-term growth. And now in terms of the pricing plan, they also offer here some of the plan including base, advanced, and enterprise plan with the corresponding prices and list of benefits or feature including on each plan. And overall, that is just how you can use Kommo. Thank you.